Hello everyone, welcome back to the SAM Biology classes online. I am Salim. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು KEA ದವರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 2020ರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Then question number 51, number of ATP molecules required to fix one molecule of nitrogen is. So direct question. So we know that 16 ATP molecules are required to fix one molecule of nitrogen. Therefore answer B is the right answer, 16. The next question number 52, hair cells are component of dash sensory organ. So hair cells are component of hearing. Option D is the right answer. Question number 53, match the hormones to the glands producing them. So very important and very easy question. 53, so now one oxytocin, you know that it is produced by, yes, pituitary gland, and insulin produced by pancreas, calcitonin thyroid, and estrogen ovary. Therefore the correct answer is option C. Next question number 54, myogenic heart contraction is initiated by. We know that there are two types of heart, neurogenic heart and myogenic heart. So myogenic heart contraction is initiated by myocytes. So option A is the correct answer. 55, blood pressure is the pressure of blood on the wall of. So it is the pressure of blood on the wall of arteries. So option A is the right answer. Then question number 56, which one of the following nerve center is not involved in the regulation of excreting urine from the urinary bladder? So not involved kelidare. So therefore option D, dura mater. So dura mater is not involved in the excreting urine from the urinary bladder. Next question, question number 57. So which of the following organ regulate the ionic balance in man? So option ನೋಡಬಹುದು, A liver, C heart ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B kidney ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and D pancreas ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So here, so option B is the right answer. The next question number 58, the pituitary gland stimulate the adrenal glands to make cortisol. Cortisol is increased during all of the following situation except. So remember, cortisol is a very important hormone produced by the adrenal cortex, and it increased in most of the time except night time. So morning high level irutte, at the time of stress the cortisol is increased, at the time of illness or sick or weakness iddagu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, night time it is not considered. Therefore so option D is the right answer. So our except anta keltiದ್ದಾರೆ, so we have to answer option which is not involved that condition. Next question number 59, which of the following is the functional unit of vertebrate excretory system? ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60, a couple has a female child with disease and 2 unaffected children. So here they have given a couple has a female child with disease and 2 unaffected children. It means they are totally having 3 children. So out of that 1 female is affected. Neither parent nor any of the 4 biological grandparents of the affected child has had this disease. So which one of the following is most likely genetic explanation? So very simple answer. So here you can see that their fathers are normal, grandfathers are normal, and other children are also normal. Only female child is affected. Therefore You can see directly autosomal recessive trait. So option A is the right answer. So which one of the following is the correct for linkage in Drosophila? So very important. This year also we can expect this question. So the correct answer is the linkage in Drosophila. It is complete in males and incomplete in female. Option C is the right answer. Next, match the following definition and their nomenclature. See option in column A, B, C, D, they have given different definition and they are asking to match with the correct nomenclature. So normal appearance of genetically controlled trait in the phenotype. So it is a definition of expressivity. So 1 A ge 5. So directly you can go for option B. A ge 5 ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can directly answer question number 62 ಗೆ A ಅಂತ. So remaining ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next question number 63. Which one of the following combination of component of genetic variance? See, we know that genetic variance is equal to additive genetic variance plus dominance variance plus interaction variance. So therefore the right answer is option B. Next question number 64. A unit of distance in linkage map. ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is very important and very easy question. We know that linkage is discovered by T.H. Morgan. So you can answer easily C.T.H. Morgan. So that is centimorgan is the unit of distance in linkage map is centimorgan. Option C. So question number 65. Which one of the following is the value of Lord score for 2-point mapping in human system? So Lord score for 2-point mapping in human system, it is a direct question. The right answer is +3 and -2. +3 and -2. Option A is the correct answer. Next question number 66. Which of the following chromosomal aberration is crossing over suppressor? So which of the chromosomal aberration means it reverse the crossing over anta keltidare. So therefore the right answer is inversion. So inversion it suppressor crossing over antane helbodu. So inversion is the right answer. The gene is the basic unit of, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 67. So we know that gene, the structure of gene, we studied that it is made up of 3 components: cistron, recon and muton. Cistron nothing but function, recon helps in recombination and muton helps in mutation. Therefore the correct answer is option D, function, recombination and mutation. Question number 68. Match the following process with their nomenclature. So here process ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ nomenclature ಇದೆ. So the 68, first option, genes are transferred by cell to cell contact. So that is A ge 4th one, conjugation. So conjugation. Next, genes are transferred inside the virus particle. So B ge 2, that is transduction. C, genes are transferred into cells as free molecules. So C ge 1, that is transformation. And bacterial cell gains access to foreign DNA through modified F factor. F factor nothing but fertility factor. Therefore third one, sexduction anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So the right answer is option C. So 68 ge C is the right answer. 69. Classification system proposed for prokaryotic species is based on 16S RNA. So this system was given by ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is a direct question. So the answer is Carl Ois. Option A. Question number 70. Which of the following is not a phylogenetic system of a plant classification? So actually ಅದು aphylogenetic ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, aphylogenetic ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 70ಗೆ, ಸೊ the Bentham and Hooker system is the not a phylogenetic system of plant classification. So remaining three are first A, B, C. These three are phylogenetic system of classification ಅನ್ನು explain ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. Bentham and Hooker does not explain the phylogenetic system of plant classification. So answer D. Question number 71. In a taxonomic hierarchy, the phylum word was introduced by, so that is Haeckel, option B. Next, question number 72. Which of the following organism belong to kingdom Protista? Very easy, basic question. So Protista contain, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ slime molds, euglenoids. Okay, so these are examples of kingdom Protista. Therefore option A is the right answer. 73. Dash does not belong to gram positive bacteria. So the right answer is Azotobacter. So Azotobacter, it is not a gram positive bacteria, it is a gram negative bacteria. Next, question number 74. Cell wall of prokaryotes are rigid and contain dash as a main strengthening compound. So options are chitin, option B gelatin, option C murin, option D lignin. So we know that the cell wall of prokaryote is made up of peptidoglycan, but option dalli peptidoglycan anta kottilla, but the another name for peptidoglycan is murin. So the correct answer is option C, murin. Murin or peptidoglycan, both are same. Next, question number 75. Goblet cells are found interspersed in the dash epithelial cells. We know that goblet cells are very important epithelial cells. They are found in, so they are called glandular cells. Glandular epithelium ge example, and they secrete mucus, and they are interspersed in the columnar epithelial tissue. So the right answer is option A. Next, question number 76. Dash is the example for dead end phylum. So the right answer is option A, Porifera. So Porifera is best example for dead end phylum anta karitare. Next, question number 77. Which one of the following is the state bird of Karnataka? Very basic question and it is repeated, my dear friends. So the right answer is Indian roller. So Indian roller is the state bird of Karnataka. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೋಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೋಲರ್. Next, question number 78. Biodiversity rich Western Ghats transfers through how many states in India? Okay, so the Western Ghats, we know that, so Paschima Ghattagalu, they transfers through 6 states of India. So 6 stateಗಳಿಂದ ಹಾದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore right answer is option C. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 79. In an ecosystem, the number of deer was counted as 2,500 in 1 year. In the following year, the number is increased to 2,750. If the birth rate of deer is 0.3, what will be the death rate ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the right answer is 0.2. So 0.2 is the right answer. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Again, as I told you, we'll discuss this in the next video. So upcoming videos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So stay with our channel. Now question number 80. In an ecosystem, there was a large lake with plenty of fish. A human settlement grew in the vicinity of the lake and food population began to decline. So try to understand this paragraph. So here there is a decrease in the fish diversity due to increase in the human population. So the most of the time ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಡಿ 3 ರಾಂಗ್. So the right answer is due to increase in human population, nothing but urbanization, the lake started polluting, and we know that the lake is polluted due to discharge of sewage, and it causes increase in the nutrients and leads to growth of algae called algal bloom, and we know that algal blooms decreases the oxygen in the water and thereby they causes the fish death. So option B is the right answer. Next, question number 81. A psychotrophic bacteria can grow at a temperature of range. ನೋಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you can easily answer. See, only one option is given in -20 degree, -10. Remaining ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you have to think wisely. So here A, B, C both are, all the first three options are wrong. The right answer is -20 to -10 degrees Celsius. Psychotrophic bacteria can grow at a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. So therefore right answer is -20 to -10 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 82. A situation of ecological niche where similar species can exist in the same area but use resource at different time is. It's a very important question. So here you read the last line, use different resources. So here the resources are different, nothing but partitioning is there. Therefore right answer is option B, resource partitioning. The next 83 question. The artificial chromosome is used to clone dash segment of DNA. So remember artificial chromosome example ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, bacterial artificial chromosome BAC and yeast artificial chromosome YAC. These are the cloning vector used to clone the DNA of large size. So in the given option the right answer is 200 kb and above. So 200 kilo base pairs and above irtakanta DNA, very large segment of DNA can be cloned in this artificial chromosome. Therefore right answer is option D. Next, question number 84. Dash is an area that acts as a boundary or transition between two ecosystems. It is a repeated question, my dear friends. So the right answer is ecotone. Ecotone is an area that acts as a transition between two ecosystems. Then 85, very important this year. So I will explain you in detail. Listen carefully. Which of the following statement about K selected species is false? So remember there are two types of selections. One is K selection, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು R selection ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First I will tell you about K selection. So K selected species, remember they have long lifespan, larger body and they produce us less or few offspring. So D, C, B, these are true statements. But question in ಕೇಳಿದರೆ false statement. Due to less number of offspring, they show maximum parental care or highest parental care. So example human ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Humans, we know that their body is large compared to fish and amphibians. We have longer lifespan and we produces only 1 or 2 kids. So that is per pregnancy. Therefore generally 1 irutte. Therefore due to less number of offspring, so more parental care is seen. But option A, minimal parental care ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore it is a false statement. Question number 86. Miller experiment on the abiotic synthesis showed that. So we know that Miller provided experimental proof for chemical evolution of life. It shows that the simple molecule can give rise to complex molecule. Therefore right answer is option C. Next, fish technique is used for localization of dash on a chromosome. Very important and it is asked in CSIR net also. So the correct answer is fish. First you remember fish nothing but fluorescence in situ hybridization. Fluorescence in situ hybridization. So it is a technique used for localization of specific gene on a chromosome. So option gene is the correct answer. Option B. The next 88. In a population, the frequencies of gene A and capital A and small a have reached a steady state. Which of the following frequencies indicate that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? See here, very easy question. So Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, we know that the answer is 1. So in A, B, C, D, if you add all the three options, 1 ಬರಬೇಕು answer. So therefore option B ನೋಡಿ, 0.49, 0.42 and 0.09 ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ 0, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ 49, 42, 09. So now add all these three, so you will get 100. So now divide by 100. So because after 0 there is one more digit, therefore divide by 100 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ so answer 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that is option B is the correct answer. Next, a random change in frequencies of allele within a small population. It is a definition. The correct answer is genetic drift. So we know that genetic drift, it is a random change in allele frequency of a small population. Next, question number 90. In the evolutionary time scale, monkey, ape and other mammals evolved during a dash period. So the right answer is tertiary period. Next, 91. Existence of 2 or more genotype for a given trait in a population is called, that option D, polymorphism. Remember, question careful ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Existence of 2 or more genotype for a given trait, nothing but a phenotype. So 2 or more phenotype ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Many phenotype. Therefore polymorphism is the right answer. Question number 92. The female wasp have a choice of being single foundress. She builds a nest and lays eggs. Alternatively, she can join a colony of wasps and help in the colony activities, but cannot breed. Although there is no fitness advantage for the wasp, this behavior has evolved as a evolutionarily stable strategy. Which of the following is probably one of the reason for this? So here you have to understand, so the female, she is taking a chance over the queen and then breed. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲೋನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 93. Which one of the following is responsible of multiple gene families? So the right answer is duplication and unequal crossing. Option D, duplication and unequal crossing is responsible for forming multiple gene families. Next, 94. Who proposed the great chain of being in the field of evolution? So this was written by, direct question, Aristotle. The next question number 95. Which part of the brain is mainly involved in a special memory? So dear friends, I wanted to tell you this is a recent discovery, and again it is a Nobel Prize winning discovery. Every year at least 1 or 2 Nobel Prize in physiology and medicine related questions are there in the question paper. So that's why I tell most of the aspirants that so you need to study almost last 10 years of a Nobel Prize given in medicine and physiology and why they have awarded. So the special memory is, the correct answer is hippocampus. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಹಿಪ್ಪೋಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿಪ್ಪೋಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ. ಸೊ 95 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ದೆನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 96. Of the several methods used for construction of phylogenetic tree, which one of the following uses a character-based method? So they are asking a character-based method of phylogenetic tree construction. So the right answer is maximum likelihood. So maximum likelihood is the right answer. Question number next 97, 98, 99 and 100. So these are related to this paragraph. So this time they have given this paragraph and the questions are very challenging. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 97 ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. So how did researchers estimate the number of undiscovered species? This is the question. So the right answer is the researchers estimated the bacterial species from the DNA data. So option A is the right answer. Then question number 98. The number of species on planet Earth have been estimated by different method. Which of the following is not the total number of estimated species? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 1.2 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಮೌಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಂಗೈ? ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 6,11,000. Then next, last question. Dash percent of organisms have been entered in the central database. So as per the paragraph, the right answer is option A 14%.